If you have mobility or accessibility concerns, the trained staff here at Vizcaya are here to help you. Whether you're navigating with a mobility aid, managing sensory sensitivities, or just want to avoid tricky terrain. Let's start with parking. If you need an accessible space, just let security know when you arrive. They'll direct you to designated parking close to the entrance, and if you're arriving by bus or rideshare, there's a drop-off area right by the entrance drive. Now remember, Vizcaya is over 100 years old, so there are some uneven grounds. Remember to watch your step and wear comfortable shoes. But don't worry, there are ADA compliant paths, and the staff at the admissions booth can help you plan the smoothest route possible. The first floor of the main house is mostly wheelchair accessible, and there's a ramp and a lift to help you get inside. Just ask an associate or security guard for assistance. If you can't access the upper floor, you can explore it virtually with our digital interactive guide available in English and Spanish. You can find accessible restrooms in the south side of the house and also by the garden mound. There's also shaded benches all throughout in case you need a rest. We want everyone to feel welcome and comfortable at Vizcaya. For more information or to plan ahead, visit vizcaya.org/ADA for more information, or ask one of our friendly staff members upon arrival. We'll see you soon!